Imagine standing at the base of the Great Pyramid, gazing up at the marvel that has stood for thousands of years. Behind this awe-inspiring monument lies one of history's greatest project management feats. Building the pyramids wasn't just about stacking stones. It was about orchestrating resources, timelines, and people on a scale never seen before. The ancient Egyptians mastered project management long before Gantt charts or MS Project or any software tools that existed. They broke down massive tasks into manageable steps, quarrying stone, transporting blocks along the Nile, and organizing thousands of workers with precision. Every detail mattered, from aligning each block perfectly to keeping everyone motivated under the blazing sun. This is project management, from pyramids to AI. Ever wonder why work feels like a nonstop cycle of deadlines, meetings, and quick check-ins? Here's the twist. None of that is random. The job we call project management didn't start in offices. It started the moment humans tried to build something too big for one person to coordinate, like the pyramids. Today we're going back, way back, to see how project management existed long before the title project manager ever did. And along the way, we're going to ask a modern question. What if ancient builders had today's technology? At its simplest, a project is a temporary effort to create a unique result. A bridge, a road, a temple, a pyramid. And project management is how you coordinate people, time, materials, money, and risk to make that result happen. The Egyptians didn't call it project management, but they lived it. Think about the pyramid. Tens of thousands of workers, millions of stone blocks, decades of effort. No software, no spreadsheets, no dashboards, but still clear goals, defined roles, sequenced work, logistics, and most importantly, accountability. Now pause for a second. If Egyptians had modern data tools, what would they be tracking? Things like labor productivity trends, material delivery timing, weather patterns, injury rates, and scheduling risk. That's data analytics. They just did it in their heads on papyrus and through experience. Imagine this. If ancient builders had AI wouldn't be laying stone. It would be predicting problems. Which quarry route creates bottlenecks? Which work crews are falling behind? What happens if flooding comes early this year? AI today answers those questions. Back then, humans did. AI doesn't replace project management. It just accelerates what good PMs already do. Pattern recognition, forecasting, decision support. Here's the key lesson. Every project lives inside some kind of constraint. Whether it be time, if you don't have enough time to get something done. Whether it be cost, if you don't have the proper resources in order to get that thing done. Whether it be scope, if you yourself are doing the job of 2 or 3 people at the same time. Whether it be quality, no matter how hard you try, the end result just doesn't match up. Or whether it be risk, if all of those things happen to be affecting how you work currently. Ancient builders lived this daily, on the job. If scope increased, they needed more laborers. If time was cut, then quality was sure to suffer. And if risk went up, you better make sure that resources increase as well. See, back then, they modeled it with experience. The math didn't change. Only the tools did. PM translation moment. When someone says we're blocked, what they really mean is a dependency hasn't been resolved yet. That was true 4,000 years ago, and it's still true today. This is where modern digital literacy matters. Digital literacy isn't knowing every tool, it's understanding what data matters, what signals to trust, and when automation helps or hurts. If the Egyptians had dashboards, they still would have needed judgment. Technology informs decisions, but humans make them. That won't change, at least for a very long time. Here's your takeaway for the week. Ask yourself this question next time you're at work. What constraint is most at risk right now? Is it time? Is it cost? Is it scope? Quality? Am I at risk? If you can name the constraint, you can manage the project. Most people can't name it, so they react emotionally. You are going to manage it intentionally. What makes the approach of Egyptians both fun and catchy is how they turn colossal challenges into opportunities for innovation. They invented tools, created schedules using stars as clocks, and even held team-building festivals to keep spirits high. These educationally informative strategies show us that with vision, planning, and teamwork, even the wildest dreams can become reality. So next time you face a daunting project, channel your inner pyramid builder. With creative problem solving and strong organization, you can achieve something monumental. In the next episode, we'll jump into the Industrial Revolution. That's when projects got so big and so complex that coordination became a job, not just a side task. If you're enjoying the series, subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment. What's the biggest project you've ever been a part of? We'll use real examples in all future episodes. This is project management from pyramids to AI. And as it turns out, we've been solving the same problem for thousands of years, just now with better tools. I'll see you next time.